Do you check your iPhone's last or recently installed app or game? Here is how to check recently installed apps on an iPhone. To find out about the recently installed app, follow these steps. Open App Store, tap Profile, tap Purchased. Here, you will see a list of all the apps you have ever downloaded using your Apple ID. To sort the list by most recently downloaded apps. Now you can check the date and time and find which app was downloaded recently. Alternatively, you can also check the home screen to recently installed apps. Newly installed apps are usually placed on the last home screen page, so swipe left until you reach the end to see if the app is there. Now, if you still have any questions about this topic, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.